Alright, I have got my Whirlpool washer and dryer. Right now I've got it going through just a normal cycle. Pretty heavy load, super capacity load, I guess you'd say, and very clean, as you can see, and excellent shape, excellent condition. It's agitating right now. Sounds excellent. What I'm going to do is allow it to run all the way through its cycle. And when it gets to the spin cycle, I'm going to show you that it in fact spins the way it's supposed to, gets all the water out of the clothes like it's supposed to, and sounds great while it's spinning. So we'll come back to that as soon as it's ready. Okay, and now we are on to that final spin cycle, and it's running full blast right now. It's nice and level and sturdy. It's not bouncing around or making any weird noises. It's the most important thing. I'll show you it is. Spinning really fast, and obviously that lid switch works. See, it gets started right back up. And I've got the dryer here side by side. It is also nice and really clean. Works fantastic, and I'll show you with a full load of clothes here in just a sec. But I can go ahead and show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Little surface temperature gun here. We'll shoot that right into the heat hole there. You see plenty of heat coming out of there. And the longer it goes, the more it heats up. And of course I will put the clothes in there so you can hear it with a full load of clothes too. We're going to let that finish up. It's probably got about 3 or 4 more minutes. And I'll show you that those clothes are nice and light, and we'll move them over to the dryer. Okay, and that has finished up, so we'll go ahead and pull these clothes out here. Excellent. Okay, they're nice and light. These heavy jeans on the bottom have been spun out with no excess water in them whatsoever. Great, so we'll get those moved over to the dryer real quick. Okay, got them moved over to the dryer. We'll go ahead and just put that on automatic dry, high heat. Doesn't really matter. As you can see, it sounds great. No thumping or shaking or anything like that, which is important to check. Excellent, and I will show you again the heat there. I always check every setting on there to make sure heat is coming off of them. And there, get a clearer picture there. Perfect. Let's see if I can. There we go. Plenty of heat coming out of there. It's in excellent shape, and now you know that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. Toss that back in there. Alright, we'll let those finish up, and now you know that both these guys work great, are in excellent shape. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a good day. Thanks.